Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be comparing two budget neckband earphones or rather wireless earphones, one from Oppo, the Oppo Enco M32, which is launched recently for an introductory pricing of 1499, and although the pricing is 1799, now you can get for 1499. While on the right side we have the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, the base edition, which retails for 1999. So these are two really good affordable or entry level neckband earphones, wireless earphones. So let's do a quick comparison to see which performs better in different aspects. So we have also done the detailed reviews of both these earphones, so you can actually check out our channel to get those videos. And before going into the detail aspects, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. Now first things to consider is the design language. Now you can see that the neckband design looks quite similar, although you can see that the Oppo has a slight curvature, giving it a slightly different feel while in the neck, while the OnePlus has a flat kind of finishing. So that's the only difference. You can see here it lays flat on the desk, while here you can see that Oppo is slightly curved towards the top portion. So that's the only difference in terms of the neckband. Now you can see that the controls, you can actually see that it's much thicker on the Oppo compared to the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Now controls are inside on the Oppo, while it is outside on the Bullet Wireless Z. So that's the only difference. Otherwise both look quite similar. Now charging port, you can see here it's exposed on the Bullet Wireless Z, while it is covered on the Oppo Enco M32. So other than that, we don't see major difference. Now looking at the earphones, you can see that again design wise almost similar, nothing much change here except for the ear hooks on the Oppo Enco M32. Now Oppo Enco M32 also has this glossy finish, but it's slightly bigger than the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, but not much by a huge margin. You can see almost similar in size, but we frankly don't like these ear hooks. They don't really serve much of purpose. We like the design of the Bullet Wireless Z, but you can actually remove these hooks, but then the alignment mechanism actually doesn't look that great, so it's better to use that. So again design wise nothing much change. Even the buds, the ear tips are also quite similar on both these devices. Here you can see that a kind of reddish finish. This is available in different colors also. So that's the design aspect of these two devices. Now comfort level, probably both are quite comfortable and we don't see any major issues. Probably for the overall comfort, I would say the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z was a tad better, not by a huge margin. Again these are the ones which made us pick the Bullet Wireless Z. These ear hooks are not really that comfortable, at least for me. Again, more of a personal choice. So that's the design and comfort level. So both are quite good in terms of comfort levels, and even the design wise they look really good. Now OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z comes with a 9.2mm dynamic driver, while the Oppo Enco M32 comes with a 10mm dynamic driver. Both are SBC and AAC codec support. Now talking about the audio quality. Now here this is a extremely difficult area to choose because both of these have pretty good bass performance. Now the Bullet Wireless Z is re-engineered for bass performance. Now the Oppo Enco M32 is also a bit more tuned for bass compared to the M31. So both these are equally good in terms of bass performance, and overall audio quality is hardly anything to pick here. The Oppo Enco M31 had LDAC support, high-res audio support, but the Oppo Enco M32 does not have that. So it's more or less similar here in terms of overall performance. Both have a pretty good bass performance, audio quality is good, even voice calls are good, and it does give a good tight fitting to the ears, so that when you are accepting voice calls you don't see any sort of issues or noise entering in the call. So in that way both are equally good. Even the sound performance is equally good. Now it's very hard to pick a winner in terms of audio quality because it's more of a personal choice, and I would say both of them are equally good in terms of audio quality and even the bass performance. Now coming to the battery life, this is one area where the Oppo Enco M32 takes a huge step. It comes with a 28 hours of battery life, while the Bullet Wireless Z has the base edition has 17 hours of playback, almost 11 hours additional on the Oppo Enco M32. So that's one of the bigger aspects, especially if you want, if you're traveling a lot, the Oppo Enco M32 makes sense because it lasts a lot longer than the Bullet Wireless Z earphones. And there is also fast charging on both these devices. Again, 10 minutes of charging on Oppo Enco M32 gives you 20 hours of music playback, while 10 minutes of charging on the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z gives you 10 hours of music playback. Again, Oppo takes the lead here. Now another additional option with the Oppo is that there is a quick pair functionality. So if you just double press here, you can actually pair to the next device which you have paired. Say for example, if you are paired between laptop and say mobile, with a quick toggle you can pair to the laptop and switch to the mobile. But on the Bullet Wireless Z base edition, that feature has been removed. You have to manually connect it. The previous Bullet Wireless Z had that functionality, but the base edition, that functionality is removed. So again, Oppo has an advantage here. So that was our overall experience with the Bullet Wireless Z and the Oppo Enco M32. Now both are really good. Now in terms of sound quality, as I said before, it's an extremely tough choice to pick a winner. Now battery life, additional features are better on the Oppo Enco M32. Now coming to the pricing. Now the Bullet Wireless Z base edition still sells for 1,999, that's almost 2,000 rupees, while the Oppo Enco M32 is priced 1,799 and then introductory pricing it's 1,499. So at 1,500 rupees, the Bullet Wireless Z is almost 500 rupees extra for extra than compared to the Oppo Enco M32, and that difference makes Oppo Enco M32 a slightly better overall value for money buy than the Bullet Wireless Z base edition. Now three things which are better on the Oppo Enco M32 is: one is battery life, the fast charging, and also the quick pair functionality. Along with that, the pricing is also lesser. While on the Bullet Wireless Z, it's the size of the headphones and the earphones are a bit more comfortable. Other than that, most of the cases the Oppo Enco M31 takes the lead. So if we were to pick one, probably we would go with the Oppo Enco M32 for these factors which we have listed, although the M32 is slightly a downgrade in terms of audio quality when compared to the M31. So that was our comparison of the Oppo Enco M32 and the Oppo, or rather the Bullet Wireless Z base edition. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.